Tashkent hosted a seminar training aimed at enhancing mechanisms for handling citizens' appeals and strengthening judicial oversight. Organized by the Ombudsman of the Oliy Majlis, Helsinki University, the Rule of Law Center and the International Nordic University, the event provided a platform for sharing Finland's expertise in these areas.
In this training seminar, regional representatives are gaining valuable insights on a wide range of issues. The Ombudsman institution in Finland has been operating for over 100 years, and it has its own unique and exemplary characteristics that are worth learning from. From this perspective, we believe that this training seminar will provide us with even more essential knowledge. Today, we received answers to the questions that interest us most. Since the regional Ombudsman offices are still relatively new, we have a lot to learn. Finland's experience is exactly the kind of experience we need.
During the seminar, international experts with extensive experience in human rights protection provided detailed insights on mechanisms for handling citizens' appeals, supervising courts and prosecutors, monitoring the judiciary, and reviewing court decisions. Participants will also introduce to Finland's legal resources, including the FinLex and Info Finland websites.
Today we are concentrating about the people's rights to make a complaint to Ombudsman, and that's how they need to get a response so that their basic and human rights are safeguarded. And one of those is, of course, freedom of speech. The aim of the event is to work together so that the Ombudsman office can find their own ways of making the work even more influential, more effective, so that they can serve Uzbekistan people even better. It's about finding solutions together.
The Deputy Chancellor of Justice of Finland, Mikko Poumalainen, highlighted the main topics covered during the session.
On how the monitoring work of the Ombudsman institutions, how they have been exercised. I tell about the experience of the Finnish Chancellor of Justice, which is an Ombudsman function, how they work, how we deal with the citizens' complaints, how we investigate them, and what are other issues there are around this question. And also the Uzbek colleagues, they ask questions and share their experiences.
For reference, in 2023, Uzbekistan and Finland launched the Rule of Law and Human Rights Protection Project, funded by Finland and implemented by UNDP in cooperation with Uzbekistan's Ministry of Justice and Ombudsperson's Office. The project focuses on expanding free legal aid services, strengthening human rights institutions and empowering civil society organizations to promote justice and fundamental freedoms.